everyone, what is up? Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm wearing my stylized shirt. I kind of cut it, made it shorter, cut the sleeves. I washed it and the fabric rolls really nicely. And then I made a little V-neck. So in lieu of Jeffree Starr and the mystery box that I got today, I got my it goes premium, deluxe, supreme. So I got my premium today, and yeah, we're gonna unbox it. And this hair and this makeup is like 14 hours long and strong right now. So if you want to see what I got in my final mystery box, then keep the hell on watching. Thanks. Okay, so we're ready to go. I already unboxed it and everything, so it's like ready to go, so that I can show you what we got here. So this box was $60. It came with 4 items, and I now wish that I had gotten the $145 one or just went with the middle one and been good with it. But in true makeup addict fashion, here we are. So the first thing that we got is the Jeffree Starr pop socket. And it's just the Jeffree Starr logo, pink and white. There you go. I can't put a pop socket on my phone because of the kind of case that I have is rough. And if I was gonna put one on my phone, it would be the one of my son. We got his school photo put on a pop socket this year. So there's that. The next thing is the gloss, and this color is called Succulent. Of course, I already opened the box because I demolish everything. It's another pink colored lip gloss. It is different than the other one from the previous box. This one has more of like a purple gold flip in it. Again, the same packaging and everything. I love this. And very, very shiny. Definitely will wear, but you can definitely see the purple that's in it instead of the blue. Really, really pretty. Goes with my Huda New Nudes today very well. So put the box over here, and then I'll put this over here. I guess I could swatch it on my hand if you wanted to see it that way. Oh yeah, you can really see the purple reflex like that. That's super, super pretty. And of course I don't have anything to wipe off on, so I'll just use my shirt because I've been wearing it at work all day, so it's already dirty. The next thing is the Jeffree Starr beanie. It's just a red beanie, and it's got the Jeffree Starr. Sorry, I just got to make sure it's in view. It says Jeffree Starr with a little Jeffree Starr logo and some candy hearts. I wore my candy hearts shirt today to work, and everybody's like, oh my god, is that candy hearts? I love that so much. I have kind of a fat head, so this I like slouchy beanies that, like, you know, slouch back and hang or whatever. So that's kind of my vibe, but I like this, and it keeps warm. You can adjust it to go on your ears, and so I can dig it. The last thing, I think that a lot of people would be super excited about this. It is a discontinued palette. They're not going to be making it anymore. So this is super duper hella exclusive. Because you're not going to be getting it. The beanie, you can't get on his website. The lip gloss, you can't get on the website. And they don't sell these on the website. So those are actually the 3 exclusives. However, the Alien palette, to me, is exclusive too because you can't get it anymore. They're not making it anymore. That's it. So a lot of people will be selling this like triple, quadruple. I'm not down with the sickness. I do already own this palette. It's got nice purple and green and This color right here is like a shimmer brown, sort of like maroon undertone color. I really like the greens in this palette. This palette's really fabulous. Again, I already own it, so I don't need this one. I'm not going to swatch it. I'll probably list it on my Poshmark, to be honest. I thought about keeping it for a giveaway, but I haven't made up my mind yet. I did put the mini breaker, and I do have a blood sugar one on my Poshmark right now, so you can go make an offer on that. I've been counter offering with this lady about blood sugar for like 2 or 3 days now. She really tried to lowball me. I'm like, girl, boo. Bye, Felicia. I can't even deal with you. So there's that. I like the beanie. I always like merch, something that I can wear. Clearly. So I'm down with that. And then I really like the gloss. I'm really glad that I got some of the lip glosses. I did not yet have any. I will tell you I like it because you can't feel the glitter in it. A lot of times lip glosses that have glitter, you can feel it, and that really kind of irks me. So I like this. I like the component. It's really nice. The JEFFREESTARR logo, the nice like crown almost looking, and then nice clear, you know, the gloss. And then on the bottom it says the name Succulent. So I'm vibing. I definitely like this. And then the pop socket, I'll probably save that for a giveaway just because, you know, it's one of those things. Some people love them, some people don't use them at all. And yeah, so if you haven't entered my giveaway yet, it is going on. So check out the giveaway video, and definitely check out my Instagram, which is always linked and listed down below. And go and do and follow all the rules and everything so you can win some things. It doesn't end on Valentine's Day. So there's that. Love this. So I'm waiting on the mailman to come right now because there's a lot of Amazon packages coming. It's my wife's birthday Wednesday, and then Friday is Valentine's Day, and it's just a lot. So I hope you like this unboxing. I know that it was short, so we'll just have a short little vidya. I do have an Ipsy Plus unboxing coming. I am not thrilled about the unboxing and what's in it. And then also I have a huge haul coming, so wait for that and check it out. In the meantime, yeah, that's it. Do good, be good, you are good. If you were the first comment on my last video, you will now be featured here. Thank you so much for having your notification bell on, being subscribed, interacting, and being the first to comment, which is super important. I love that so much. If you would like to be featured in a video, just be the first comment on a video, and then you get featured in the next one for being first. So it's really, really fun. And since there's been a lot of comments lately, I thought maybe I'll do another shout out, like maybe not just first, but like pick one out. So keep them coming, and maybe we'll start a new tradition. But anyways, do good, be good, you are good. I'm out. I'll see you later.